Okay guys, apa khabar? Kita berada di mana? Kita berada di syurga syurga kereta. Kita tengok, kita cuci mata. Where are we? We are in heaven. Car heaven, yeah. Let's look at all the cars here. So beautiful. You got a 911, you got a Mercedes E-Class Coupe, you got a Rolls-Royce Wraith, you got a 5 Series BM M5, you got a Grand Coupe, you got a Lamborghini, and you get so many cars. You got a G-Class at the back. So kita tengok Ferrari dulu Let's start with the Ferrari. Ini adalah 812 Superfast Ini adalah Ferrari 812 Superfast. 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds. 0 ke 100 dalam 2.9 saat. Jangan main-main. Memang cepat, memang gila Okay. So kita tengok dia punya horsepower adalah 800 horsepower, 800 horsepower, 750 Newton meters of torque. Don't play. Memang cantik. Memang cantik. Look at the back. So beautiful. Begitu cantik sekali Kita tengok dari tepi pula. Huiyo. Memang cantik. Cantik gila, okay? So beautiful. So nice. Look. Tengok. Kita kekurangan tempat so kita kena adjust sikit. Begitu cantik. Okay, let me show you the color. This color may look like chili red, but it's actually a metallic. Boleh nampak metallic. Can you see the metallic? There are a lot of pearls inside. Very nice. Sangat cantik. Oh yo, tak boleh tahan Okay, this is the Ferrari logo. And then kita tengok tayar. Okay, Michelin Pilot Sport Super Sport, okay? K2. Ini semua specialized tayar Jangan main-main. What is the tire size? 255 35 ZR20 255 35 ZR20. Okay, very specialized tires. Look at the brake calipers. Fuyo. This is a 20-inch rims. Sangat cantik. Begitu cantik sekali. Tengok dia punya skirting kat bawah. Fuish. Just look. So beautiful. Okay, tayar belakang apa saiz? Adakah dia berlainan daripada tayar depan? 315 35 20 315 3520. Depan 255, belakang 315 tau. So the tires are definitely different in size because the front is 255 35 20, the back is 315 35 20. So for more grip. Oh, tengok ni. Look at this. Okay, kereta dia lekukkan kereta, membawa masuk ke dalam angin. Boleh nampak? You can see through. Hello, my hands. You can see my hands. Wait, cannot get the angle. Let me get the angle correct. Okay, let's try. Hello, can you see my hand? Yeah, tada. Ding dong, that's my hand. Okay. Dia punya angin masuk dari sini. Tengok lekukan dia. Angin masuk sini. Aerodynamic keluar di sini. Nampak? Comes out here. So you can see through. Can see through. Air will come down and then you look at the body. Air will go up. Okay. Ini tested on a wind tunnel. Air goes up past the door handles and then it goes back up here and then through the back down here. Air will come down here to cool down your engine a bit and then it will dissipate. I wonder if the air will come down here. Little bit ada sikit lubang, mungkin angin akan keluar dari sini. I'm not sure. This is the Formula 1 brake lights. Yeah. Very nice. Ferrari 812 Superfast. Sangat cantik, mengancam. Jangan main-main. Okey, kita tengok lagi sebiji Ferrari Kita tengok lagi sebiji Ferrari. Ini adalah F8 Tributo This is the F8 Tributo. Look at the rims. Rims are different. You know it's a F8 Tributo. And here. Okay, this is the front. Let's check out the front. This car is all designed, created to be aerodynamic. Look, from the front, they are already designed for the air to go in. And then look here, and then you can see kita tengok the car is curved, goes down, air comes through the back, through the side, into here to cool down the air. You can see the radiator grill, right? And then this is the engine. Yeah, very nice, very nice. And then air will come back here. Air will come back out through here. So kita tengok, oh, begitu cantik sekali. Fuyo. Tengok dia punya, look at the shoulder. It's so broad, so nice. Dia cantik sekali. Okay. Ini adalah carbon fiber. Ini betul-betul carbon fiber tau. This is really carbon fiber. Don't play. Look at the exhaust, as big as my fist. Fuh. Okay, this is the emblem. Ooh, so beautiful. Okay, let's look at it from the side. Kita tengok dari tepi. Tengok. Oh iya, begitu cantik sekali. Mengancam. Jangan main-main. Okay, kita tengok size tayar dia. Okay, ini lain 275 35 20, 275 35 20. This is thicker than the what they call it, the 812 Superfast, using the Pirelli P0 tires. And then at the back is 315 35 20. Okay, the back is the same as the 812 Superfast. So belakang tayar dia profile sama dengan 812 Superfast, tapi depan dia lebih lebar daripada 812 Superfast. Okay, tengok dia punya splitter. Fuyo, beautiful. Look at the splitter. Fuh, goes through the back. And then look at the wing. Fuy, very nice. Okay, even the door handles has been sculpted according to the wind. Oh, look at this. Pure real carbon fiber, boy. Jangan main-main. Carbon fiber. Inilah carbon fiber. Okay, sangat-sangat cantik. Very nice. Even this part, air can come in. Sebelah sini angin boleh masuk. Even depan, tengok nampak depan. Can you see the gap? Tak nampak gelap. Angin boleh masuk, begitu cantik sekali. Fuyo. This is the Ferrari to have lah, F8 Tributo. Okay, begitu cantik sekali. Fuh, tak boleh tahan, boy. Lagi sebiji tapi sudah dijual, so tak dapat. Ini kita mesti jaga Ferrari macam ni. This is how we take care of the Ferrari. Look at the cloth, all has been tailor made. So nice, ada logo cantik. Okay, itu dah Ferrari sudah habis. Kita tengok Lambo pula, Lambo.